Okay, so this is what we're looking at today. It's not cooling very well, so we're going to get into it and see what. We're just doing a quick scan, just picking up some temperatures. And I see some problems already. Definitely see some problems. We're just having a look at the compressor here. Looking at our amp draw. And we're slowly dropping. Which we should be over 2 amps on this compressor. Okay, time to throw the probes on it. Let's see what we got for pressures. I get a sneaky feeling we've got a leak. Okay, so we exposed the evaporator just to prove to ourselves. And we don't have a very good frost pattern. You see on our bottom passes, no frost. Okay, so we pulled out our drain pan. It's got a little oil in there. There's water, but there's also oil. So we do have a drain pan heater, a serpentine heater, that I suspect we're going to get hit on.
Minus 1.6.
Bingo. Alright, I'll have to get in here a little deeper. We got a good hit. Yeah, we got a leak in this evaporator. And what's happening is the oil has gone down the drain pan. And it's giving us false hits down below.